Dear students, in this chapter, the very important questions are we are discussing in this class. One is define orbital velocity, derive the equation for it. Now this is the topic. After this, we will discuss another topic. Define escape velocity, derive the equation for it. That is another important question for 4 marks. And the next one, what is geostationary satellite? Write the uses of it. These are the topics we want to discuss today in this class. Okay, first one, orbital velocity. Orbit. Now what is orbital velocity? Denoted by V naught. The horizontal velocity required for an object to revolve around a planet in a circular orbit is called orbital velocity. The horizontal velocity required for an object, here the object may be a satellite, for the planet. If we take the horizontal velocity required for an object to revolve around the sun in the circular orbit is called orbital velocity also. In case of a sun, we can say the object becomes planet. Here planet, object is satellite. If it is sun, object is planet. Okay, anyhow, horizontal velocity required for an object to revolve around a planet in a circular orbit is called orbital velocity. Let us take a planet. How the satellite revolves? Like this. This is called horizontal velocity. What it is called? Horizontal velocity. If we take a sun, the planets is revolves. Okay, planets are revolves in a elliptical orbit. That's why don't take sun. You take a which one? The planet. Around the planet, which are revolves, satellites is revolves. That's why what is the definition for the orbital velocity? The horizontal velocity required for an object to revolve around a planet in a circular orbit is called orbital velocity. Now this is the earth, mass is m, radius is r, around the earth. This is the earth, around the earth at h height. At h height is h, m mass of the planet is revolves in a circular orbit. That's why consider a body means satellite of mass m above the surface of the earth of mass capital M at height h. Now this is revolves, means satellite is revolves, earth mass is m, satellite mass is m, some distance is there, some height is there. Now the gravitational force acts between them is F is equal to capital G, capital M, small m by r plus h whole square. Now the distance from here to here is r, here to here it is h, so here to here it is r plus h. This is the gravitational force. This force is converted as a centripetal force to revolve satellite around the earth. Means in the Newton's law we are discussed What is the use of gravitational force? Due to the gravitational force, satellites revolves around the planet. That's why this gravitational force is converted as a centripetal force to revolve satellite around the earth. Now, what is the equation for the centripetal force? F is equal to m v naught. What is v naught? Orbital velocity m v naught square by r plus h. This is the equation for the centripetal force. Let us take this is equation 2. Sorry, I am taking equation 1. Okay, now it is equation 2. From compare 1 comma 2, you take this mv square by r plus h is here, means m v naught square by r plus h is equal capital G capital M small m by r plus h whole square. R plus h, 1 r plus h cancel, small m cancel. What is v naught square? Capital G capital M by r plus h. Remove the square, we get the answer. What is the equation for the orbital velocity? V naught is equal to root capital G capital M by r plus h. V naught is equal to root capital G capital M by r plus h. Now I am multiplied with r square and divide by r square. Multiplied by r square, divided by r square. Gm by r square I am taken here. R square by r plus h. Gm by r square. What is the Gm by r square? Small g is equal to Gm by r square and r square r plus h. Now let us take here r is common. 1 plus h by r cancel. So v naught is equal gr by 1 plus h by r. V naught is equal to root small g capital R by 1 plus h by r. What is the r? Radius of the earth. Radius of earth is so much greater than height of the satellite, then h by r tends to 0. So it becomes 0. Answer is v naught is equal to root g by r. Okay. Now what is the equation for the orbital velocity? You derive up to here, it is enough. And what is another equation for the orbital velocity means? This is another equation. Now what is the equation for the orbital velocity? V naught is equal to capital G capital M by r plus h. Otherwise V naught is equal small root small g into capital R. Capital R is the radius of the earth. Okay, this is a very important question in this chapter for 4 marks.